What's going on? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to another live stream. Oh man, we had a very shitty London session today. We did not take any trades due to consolidation. Market literally didn't do nothing, just consolidated. So hopefully we can maximize on some profits here today. So we'll see how Asia session treats us tonight. Guys, again, just to remind you, any specific pair you'd like me to look at, break down, just drop it in the chat and I'll break it down and we will trade it together if there is a setup, if a setup occurs. And with that being said, make sure you all subscribe down below and don't forget to smash that like button, helps me out, the algorithm, appreciate it. And yeah. So what do y'all think? Are we buying or selling GJ tonight? What do y'all think is gonna happen? Let's delete that. And let's make let's go on 30 minutes. Make a zone. And here. Do y'all think we'll break through? I think that we might actually sell. I don't know, I'm feeling sells on GJ tonight. I really do feel like sells tonight. We'll see. If market gives us a really nice entry, we will definitely take it. If not, then we won't. No divergence. So if there's no divergence, it means, but we are bullish though. Let's check the 4 hour. From here to here. If market structure gets you confused, mark it up. And that is the easiest way to deal with market structure. Just literally mark it up. And look at that. You can even do line. There we go. You can even bars. You can stick to candlesticks. But lining it up gives me very clean idea. Look how the retest came to retest previous structure. Very, very simple. Watch this. This, boom. And I'll make it blue. Should we make it red? Look at that. See how it always comes in retests? It breaks, comes back, retest. Breaks, comes back, retest. Breaks, comes back, retest. Boom. So we have bullish market structure. We go on the 1 hour. Now, question is, will we break the high? Will we break the high? That is our ultimate $1 million question. If we break the high, we'll continue here to the negative 27%. If we don't break the high, we will probably come back down. Yeah, we'll definitely probably come back to this support and maybe this support. We have a few targets if we come back down. This candle is giving me a reversal pattern. I don't know. We'll see how this 4-hour candle close. If it closes underneath the red line, then we'll definitely probably sell for sure. We'll just have to wait and see. 1 hour still playing around. I think we're gonna tap into this zone here and then probably sell off. We'll see. We can also check other pairs. Obviously, pairs only that actually trades in that trade in what do you call it? What's happening here? Look at gold. Still below the support. But obviously we don't trade gold at all during Asia session. We're just looking at it from, just to have a look on other pairs. Look at that. We got the break. Still didn't get the retest. We got BTC. BTC is coming down for a retest and then hopefully shoot to the upside. We are in a bullish market structure. We got oil. Oil. Nothing I can say about oil. US 30. Look how perfect. It rejected our previous resistance before and collapsed. We got pound yen, which we're going to be trading tonight. You can also add AUD USD because that pair moves in Asia session. So we'll add AUD USD. We'll do a quick little markup on it. Just give me a second. Alright, AUD USD. That is a major support. We have a support down here. We also got a few. We got this one here. Let's see, in the 4 hour. Y'all seeing this? See how very simple this is? No indicators whatsoever. I would like to see price action. That is the only way. Do not get yourself confused with a lot of indicators telling you to buy and to sell at the same time. Just look at raw price. Raw price. If you like indicators, boom, moving averages. Look at that. We're busy rejecting the 200. Easy. Now I'm done. I can hide it. I do not want it to clutter my charts. I want my charts to be as clean as possible. As clean as possible. from down here as a sell zone. We'll see. Poover, yeah, I am. Actually, funny story, I left my job, a few months back. I had a job just for stability purposes until I was fully covered and was consistently making, profit. Then I was like, oh, hello, welcome, brother, welcome to the channel. So yes, I am, to answer your question, I've been a full-time trader for 6 months now. Yeah, 6 months. And it's been a journey, man. It's been a journey, loving every second of it. And yeah, man, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live streams. We try to stream every day, every single day for HSS in New York, London, whenever I have time. Because I do get busy sometimes. I'm a father as well, so I have responsibility outside of trading. Family comes first always, but I try to stay busy, you know. Oh yeah, for sure, absolutely. Psychology was also one of the things that I personally struggled with in the beginning. Um, I was like, yeah, psychology. You gotta be a little bit tough in the head to deal with all the shit that we deal with trading forex. You know, it's definitely not easy. It's simple. It's very simple, but it's not easy. So yeah, it's for sure simple but not easy. Uh, Oh yeah, 100% for sure, for sure. It does really teach you, um, how to control your emotions, because obviously emotions and feelings in trading the forex market is really involved. But when you start to apply what you learn from the forex market to real life, you start thinking like, okay, I don't want to make an emotional decision. You start thinking like I'm not gonna get angry. I'm gonna control my emotions, all that stuff. It really does help you even outside of trading when you master your psychology. And just know yourself, it's all about knowing who you are as a person yourself, and what you can how your mind works, and the things that helps you progress personally. Because I might do something, I might do something for my psychology that would work for me, but maybe it wouldn't work for somebody else. You see, so you gotta see what works for you, what doesn't, and to figure all that out, you have to have experience and time in the market to see. If any of you is new here, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing, like the live stream. We live every day. There is a link to my free Telegram group. You guys can join. You guys can talk, chat, meet other traders, send analysis. Everything you need is right there. And then if you want to work with me one-on-one, the link is also down below for the Discord, where you can have live sessions every day, trading live with me. You get a course when you enter as well, for free on top of it, and it's not a monthly payment, it's a one-time fees. You're in the Discord for life. You have a community, similar-minded people. We all share trade ideas. We all share analysis, talk to each other. We trade together. Amazing community. Yeah, guys, so if there's any pair that you guys would like me to break down, please let me know in the chat, and I'll do so. If y'all struggle with market structure, mark it up like I did here. So it makes it very simple to see. Absolutely, man, absolutely. Enjoy. Come in, say what's up. If you have any questions, drop them in the Telegram, bro. Yeah, man. Obviously, guys, I don't have to say this, but I'm gonna be aware. I'll never message you first. I'll never ask you for money. All that other stuff. You guys know probably by now, and heard it from other people a million times. So yeah, just know, if somebody messages you first, it's not me. I'm just saying. But yeah. What will GJ do? What will GJ do, guys? Maybe something like that. We'll see. Bro, the temperature here in London is insane. We were literally melting. They literally closed down schools, sent people home from work because of the heat. It was unbearable, honestly. It was so hot today. Where y'all from? Where are you guys watching from? Please let me know. What country and what time is it by you? Country time. Where are you guys watching from? Jamaica. Wow. Time 7 p.m. Oh my god, dude, it's 1 a.m. in the morning here by me. Yes, I heard about the heat records. I'm from Montreal, Canada. Oh, what's the weather like in Canada? Is it always cold? Because I always see it snowy on TV and online and stuff. Paul, you from the UK, you probably know how hot it was today. Oh my god, it was bloody hot today. Um, yeah, I did not feel like do anything. I just couldn't handle the shit. Jamaica. What's the weather like in Jamaica? It's hot, isn't it? Jamaica's hot. Canada's cold. Um, yeah. Is it summertime in Canada? Two in the kitchen. The yogurt was in the oven today. Now it's summer, so it's like 25, 30 degrees, but we have a lot of rain this summer. Oh my god. It rains in summer. That is nice though, right? Because when y'all are hot from the sun and then a little rain comes, cool you all down. What are your thoughts on that? Do you guys like the rain in summer? That's like South Africa, because I remember I lived in South Africa before, and it would rain in summer. It wouldn't rain in winter. It would just be cold and dry, and then summer comes. The 1 minute the weather is fucking hot and the sun is burning everyone, and then the next hour, there's cloud and there's rain. It was nuts. Yeah. But that's like normal there. That's their normal weather. It just never rains in winter. It only rains in summer, which is crazy, you know. Kind of like that. It just cools everyone down. Cools everyone down. Paul, has the UK ever gotten as much heat as we have been getting in the last 2 days? Because you see, I haven't been here long enough to know this, but what is like the hottest day you've ever experienced in the UK? What was the temperature? Because what was it today? Like 30 or something? I think it was around 30 today. 30 degrees. For the UK, it's 38, sorry. It was 38. So that is hot. Yeah, it's cold almost all year. So during the summer, we want to enjoy. We don't want it to rain. Yeah, I get you. Yeah, that wouldn't be nice when you got winter all year round, and the 1 week of summer you guys get it rains again. You do not want that, of course. Yeah, the reason why I said it was nice in Africa is because the weather is dry like all year round, so a bit of rain is always nice to cool everyone down. Yeah, once in a while. Oh damn, bro, crazy, crazy, crazy. But for some reason, it always feels hotter here than in the African countries. Like when you say 30 degrees in Africa, that sounds okay. It sounds normal, right? And it's probably bearable. But then you check the UK, 30 degrees, 35 degrees. It's just hotter for some reason. It's weird, man. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just weird. I think because the UK is closer to the sun than Africa, because of how the Earth is shaped. Whereas all the flat earther saying, no, 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 that's impossible because the Earth is flat. Be like, oh shit, yeah, sorry, my bad. Imagine. Imagine Earth was flat. I got you. Oh man, crazy stuff. But you know what a lot of people do as a mistake is they think the more windows and doors they open, the colder it's gonna get inside or the cooler. It's actually the opposite because the heat is coming from the outside. So opening up the doors and windows will bring in more heat. So the right thing to do is to close windows and just keep it cool inside, and then open your fridge and just leave it open. That would just be a waste of electricity. Oh my god, we in profit. Let's go. Oops. Um, I kind of did actually. I did, yes, and I sent it to the Discord. You see, the reason why I didn't call it out live, it wouldn't be fair on the people who are in the Discord who paid to get, the extra stuff, the breakdowns, the videos, the why I'm taking the trade, what I'm looking at. But to answer your question, yes. However, the reason why I marked this up and told you guys that this will be a sell zone after it breaks the low. So if you were paying attention, you would have caught it from the wick. So we literally entered on the wick right there. So now we're running it down in profit. Yeah, because I can't have people saying, we paid you for this and now you go online to give it to everybody for free. It's just not fair. I hope you understand. However, I am giving as much value, breakdowns, psychology tips, and even trades sometimes. I did say, if it breaks, it's a sell zone. So we'll see. Take first day profit around 68,500 level. We'll see. GGB moving. Guys, there's 6 of you watching. Please make sure you like the stream, man. It helps me a lot. It helps spread the video out for more people, to help as many people as we can. Let's run it up. Let's run the like button, please, guys. Thanks. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below as well. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss an upload. I'm actually doing a series now on YouTube where I literally gonna put out a free basic Forex trading course for free. I've already posted lesson 1 today, identifying the trend. So if you haven't checked that out, go to that channel, check that out. If you're new, obviously this is beginners only. If you're advanced, if you know all this stuff, you don't have to watch it. But if you're new and you'd like to learn more about the markets and how the market moves, then for sure it would help you. Hey, bud, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, so much value in there, man. Like, I could show you the results, guys. If you go to the free Telegram, I posted today, students making live money, guys. Students making their profits back. So, you'll probably make your one-time, lifetime access fees within a few trades. Because we only look for quality, not quantity. I do not send hundreds, thousands of trades every day, but 90% of them are stop loss. No, we look for proper and setups that are high profitability setups. As you can see, I'm not a scalper. I'm not on the 1 minute, because the win rate for scalpers are much lower, because you are more likely to get faked out than if you take a trade based on the full hour. It's so much more data and condensed, and it's just it's you're not gonna be faked out as much than the smaller time frame. So we only send quality over quantity for sure. And yeah, man, I don't think we have lost a trade in a week now. We had a break-even trade. My student didn't break even. I moved stop loss a little bit further than break even, and I got stopped out at break even. But Students made some good money today on UJ. They took a long on UJ and that shit just flew to the roof. Obviously, I sent the trade. I can show you guys before and after right here. Where's the Telegram? Right here. Right here, guys. Look at this. So this was the before. Right. This was the before. And this was the after. Insane trade. This trade was over 50 pips already in profit. And then if you go look at UJ now, it's running. It's running. Look at the students making money. Let's go. Run it up. Always sending profits, guys. Always sending bangers. And I do this live, guys, so there's nothing, hidden or shady. I do this live with viewers every day. There is nothing to hide. Full transparency here. If we lose a trade, we lose a trade. Fuck it, It's only 1%. It's all about risk management and never risk what you're not willing to lose. I always risk what I'm willing to lose and happy for me and happy to lose. Well, obviously not happy to lose it, but if I do lose it, I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. So it's all about risk management and risk to reward ratio. Of course, is very, very important. Risk to reward, you can have a less than 50% win rate strategy, but if you have a very positive risk to reward, like 1 to 3, 1 to 4, every trade, you'll be profitable even with a less than 50% win rate. So insane when you think about it. The reason why 90% of traders blow the account is because they risk more than they're willing to lose, and then they blow the account and then they give up. So stop doing that. So any specific pair you guys would like me to break down, or you guys happy with GJ and what else did we look at? Let's add AUD, USD, and let's add UJ, USD, JPY, JPY. Oh man, imagine the entry we took here. Bang of a trade. Let me see how much we're in profit right now. Well, my student, he's literally 88 pips in profit right now. I'm not even kidding you. This could have been a second entry right here. Beautiful. Run it up. And BTC coming down for a retest. Pound yen pushing to the upside, and it's breaking the high, so it's going to make a higher high now. Gold, we don't trade gold during Asia, so leave that alone. Nor AUDSD. Look at that, support is holding, hasn't broken yet. Could possibly break soon. We'll have to wait and see. What else do we have here? AUD, USD, and yen. So the reason why I have split screen here, I'm sure you've noticed, I have 2 time frames. I always have 2 time frames open. But if I'm trying to take a trade based off a 4-hour, always, I wait for a 4-hour closure. So depending on in 40 minutes time, how this 4-hour candle closes, that what tells me if I'm going to hold my position or close it and call it a day. So it's all about 4-hour, because the reason why I like 4 hours because it's such a strong condensed candle, and you're less likely to get faked out, and you are more likely to get bigger moves based off a 4-hour candlesticks. So 4-hour, I look at that, and I look at 1-hour closure as well. Very, very important. Because if 1 hour is closing below, most probably the 4 hours is gonna follow up, unless obviously it reverses. But yeah, 30 minutes I have it on the right side. You can see here 30 minutes. I play between 30 and 15 on the right side, and then on the left side I keep my higher time frame, like 1 hour and 4 hour, just so I know where we at all times. Yeah. These are the time frames. So basically I look at all time frames, I look at 1 hour daily, 4 hour, everything. Obviously, because it's a new day, I have already looked at the daily. Yeah. So this could be the wick to the upside to then come and fill this gap here and fill the wick. We'll see. The 1 hour looks bullish. Wow, probably just a push because the 4 hour closes soon. Yeah. No, listen. As long as the candle is not closing, I am not worried. Because you see this bearish candle here. This candle was massive candle to the downside, but then it closed all the way up here. So honestly, as long as the candle is still open, I don't care where it's at. What I care about is, will it close above support or below support? Because if it closes below, then support is still holding. If it closes above, then support is questionable. And then if it prints another candle above support and closes above it, that's for sure the support. The resistance is broken, and now it's going to be used as support as support for sure. So it's all about closure. You see, here's what goes through my mind when the candle is pushing up so high like this. There is loads of liquidity up here. Boom. That they push price up. Remember, when banks and smart money wants to buy or sell a price, they're not going to sell it at a low price. They're going to sell high. They're going to sell as high as possible, right? So they're going to push price up that you're going to think, geez, is it going to break? Is it going to go to the upside? And then you jump in a buy. But that's exactly when they want to sell, because they want to sell high and then buy low. So there's the whole concept where a lot of traders mistake. A lot of people slid in sorry, what was I saying? Yeah, when banks and stuff wants to sell something, they're going to sell it as high as possible. So when there's liquidity here, price is going to go up there and grab liquidity for them to add sell positions. So let's see, there is still 37 minutes to this candle until it closes. And then that's when I know if this trade was a good trade or a bad trade. Either way, I'm not worried. I followed my rules. I stuck to my plan. And it is what it is, It's all about risk management and risk to reward. The risk reward is so worth it. And yeah. Because if you look at GJ now, look what's happening. Boom. See how it pushed all the way to the upside, and now it's gonna come back down because they're gonna sell high. They're not gonna sell low. They have to sell high to get better prices. Hey, Paul, my man, what's up? Welcome, man, welcome. Welcome to the Discord, brother. I appreciate you joining, my man. I appreciate you, Paul. Cheers, mate. I appreciate you. But it's better when there is wicks than a full candle. I heard it's better when there is a wick than a full candle. What do you mean by that? Yeah, what do you mean by better, as in for what? Slightly confused there, bud. More momentum. I honestly still have no idea what you are trying to say, to be honest. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Like a full candle is tangle versus is tangle with wicks. Like a full candle. What? So, okay. You see this bullish candle right here? This one? This bullish candle? It closed with almost no wicks, right? No wicks below, no wicks on top. That is a very strong momentum candle, right? But when there's a candle with wicks, there is a less momentum candle. It's a weaker candle. Is that what you're trying to say? Yeah, because I was like, what do you mean? Like momentum, usually like when there's no wicks, but wicks indicates that there was a lot of fluctuations, a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and that's why you'll see it go down, leave a wick, go up, leave a wick. Buyers would take control, then sellers would take control, and then obviously whichever price it closes at, that's unless it closes at a doji, then it was a 50-50 battle. But yeah, man. Yeah, so full candles like this, no wicks, that's a full momentum, strong ass candle. But yeah, so we have 27 minutes for this 1 hourly candle to close. If it closes below the green line with a massive wick to the upside like this, that is beautiful. That is a very strong selling pressure. Then it means that it means that they were really actually interested in selling price from that point of interest up there. So we're also watching the smaller time frame here to keep a quick eye on what's going on. on smaller time frames. But it's looking good so far, and until we have 27 minutes to know for sure how this trade will come out as. And this is why I always tell people, don't focus too much on the smaller time frame. You see a big bullish candle, you enter a buy, but little that you know on a higher time frame, there's literally a bearish engulfing before this candle. So would you rather believe a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, or a bullish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame? Just ask yourself that. Which one is more likely to work out in your favor? That is just the easiest way to make luck, And then based on the higher time frame, but you find an entry on smaller time frame. That's why you just basically go down to find a sniper entry. But the trade should always be based off the higher time frame. You'll make a lot more money doing so. Yeah. What's happening with UJ? Still around there. If it closes above, another good entry for a buy. BTC, come down please. Oil, US30, GJ. Yeah. Basically, that's one way to put it. Higher time frame, higher confirmation, more reliable data to follow. Basically, right? More reliable data to follow. The reason for that is, let's say you are looking at 15-minute time frame, and look at this beautiful bearish engulfing. But if you look here, it's nothing. It's just a little retracement for the upside. So you take and then you instantly in drawdown, and then it's consolidating, blah blah blah, and then boom, you stopped out. So always look at higher time frame for trades, but look smaller time frame for entries. That is one way to do it. And of course, wait for retracement. So you can see how here it literally came back. So this here, boom, I'll make another clone, and I will take it here, place it there. Actually, hold on, let me do this. See how it breaks? Bullish market structure. When it makes a new higher high, wait for a higher low and look for support to the left. Once you find support to the left and prices are not breaking, there's your entry. You enter higher low and you take it at least to the previous high. easiest way to do it. Whew. I am literally melting right now. Fucking melting. There is news. 22. Oh, this bad news is already passed. Exiting home sales for America. Okay. Here's a quick little trick for you all. If price is struggling to go to your TP, you could just do this. Where is this thing? So there's a secret. Don't tell anybody about it. If I can actually find it. Holy, I don't think I'll be able to find it here. How do you find it on iPad? Yeah, never mind. I can't do it here. I never like to trade patterns like this. It looks so weird. I don't know why. I can never do it. There's even a thing for it here. Oh wow. I did that so wrong. There we go. Are you all seeing this? If watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. Notice how price is going upwards, right? Trading like this. If you look down to the RSI, look what's happening to it. It's going down. See that? That just gives me another confluence to hold my trade. If the momentum is lost, and by the way, I do not use the RSI like if it's over the 75, it's oversold or overbought or all that stuff. No, I look at it from if it's above 50, the momentum, right? It's like in a bullish market. If it's below the 50, it's in a bearish market. And then when it's above the 50 in a bullish market and you see a divergence, it's a difference between price and momentum. When price is going up but the momentum is going down, follow the RSI always, because if the RSI is going down, the price will follow, right? Price will follow. So just keep that in mind. I will actually make a video on that. I feel like I could help a lot of people. I'll make a video on that, explain it step by step, how to use it, divergence, RSI. Yeah. But that is one thing that you can keep in mind always. So 10 more minutes and we either hit the jackpot or we go to bed with a stop loss. Either way, it's no big deal, you know. We came here, we answered questions, we stuck to our rules, stuck to the plan, and if nothing happens, yeah, I'm just gonna, obviously I have my stops in place, I have my take profit in place. There's no reason for me to just sit here and stare at the screen for hours. I'm literally gonna just go to bed if the momentum just doesn't kick in within the next 10 minutes, because that's when a new 4-hour candle prints. Then we'll just call it a day from there. Pound yen usually tends to move around this time. So look at that. Look at that, guys. It's rejecting. It's rejecting. Oh my God. Holy. That is a strong rejection. When did you start trading? I started trading 2 years ago now, actually. Yeah. It's literally been 2 years ago. But I'm not talking about 2 years on and off. I'm talking about 2 years, 24 hours a day. Like, it's all I did. It's all I do. 24 hours a day. I breathe it. I eat it. I live it. I'm looking at the charts more than I'm looking in front of me throughout the day. Like, literally. Yo. Do you guys remember this trade? We took this trade live. Look at this. 45 pips, banger. 4 pip stop loss, 1 to 10. Live with the viewers. Incredible. And then price just continued to rally for another 100 to 200 pips. Will it close above or below? Wow. Crazy rejection. For DJ, I feel like it could very well push to the upside now, just because you see, I do believe this negative 27% will get hit. So we might see like a little retracement for a continuation. We'll see, for sure. If not, because it's all about reaction, it's never about predicting the next trade. It's all about reacting to the market and what it wants to do. For the AUDSD, let me check. So for the AUDSD, price is still at resistance. You can see here, it's still within the range. It hasn't crossed the blue box, the blue triangle. Therefore, the sells are still valid. So it will only be not valid when the candle closes above, sorry. We didn't really get the momentum I was expecting. Another boring Asia session. Nothing too crazy. I want something insane to happen, 1,000 pip move. Imagine. Alright, gents. We're not really getting any momentum, so there's really not much we can do here. BTC is coming down for a retest. Pound yen. Very choppy, to be fair, but I'm favoring buys than sells. And then we have UDSD still valid. Nothing has happened yet. We still haven't closed above the resistance, so we can make another one here and say boom. Oops, right there. See, so price looks like it wants to consolidate, therefore there's not much we can do. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. We'll probably be live again tomorrow. I'm going to try for London session. It's 2 a.m. my side, and London starts at 7, so I'll try to wake up, get 4 hours of sleep. If not, then I'll probably be on for New York session. We can trade gold and US 30 and NASDAQ and all the US pairs that moves in that time. So I appreciate you all for tuning in. Appreciate you all for joining. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, yeah? Take care and peace.